How to attract new customers with online presence. Hi, I'm Sweetie Benz, your partner in web design. Today we are diving into how business owners are using the power of internet to attract new customers. If you are a business owner looking to boost your online presence, this video is for you. Having a strong online presence is crucial for business success. Here is why. Over 80% of consumers research a business online before visiting any place or making a purchase. A professional website can significantly influence their decision. First up, let's talk about websites. A well-designed website is your digital face. It's often the first impression potential customers will have of your business. Make sure your website is easy to navigate, mobile-friendly, and includes essential information like your services, contact details, and customer testimonials. An integrated blog can also help with SEO and provide valuable content to your audience. Contact me today to get started.